In a bright kitchen, halloumi cubes, blistered tomatoes, and olive oil meet a sizzling pan as the overlay reads 30 seconds to delicious. Rapid cuts show a sharp knife, halloumi searing to crisp, tomatoes softening, and garlic butter swirling around. A quick lemon finish, fresh herbs, and a glossy glaze make the cheese stretch invitingly. The plate lands on a colorful board, steam rising, with close-ups on texture and shine. Would you try this crispy garlic halloumi crunch and subscribe for more quick bites?